how I look at the business challenges, not in just terms of workflows or systems. Instead, value creation towards a long-term business strategy. This shift in me from an execution focused towards a strategic thinker happened in my EMBA journey. EMBA is already making impact at my work. Clearer communications, structured decision making, stronger cross-functional alignment, and a deeper understanding of how operations, strategy, and finance come together and connect. This EMBA helped me to elevate this project from an academic requirement to a value enabler for myself as well as to my organization. So we have a cohort of multiple diversity functions, industries, and multiple global leadership styles. Each discussion always pushed me to think differently, challenge the assumptions, and understand the business from multiple angles. Faculties always bring about a global perspective, and they try to reshape how we think about strategy, leadership, and decision making. As most of the classroom discussions are based on the practical examples, the return on investment is immediate, and this is the best investment I have done on myself. If you are considering an EMBA and want to grow as a leader, but at the same time, if you want to continue your current job, this EMBA will act as a catalyst for that.